I'm Bethany Handley, a writer, poet and disability activist from South Wales. I campaign for better access to nature for disabled people and to make sure that the countryside is accessible to everyone and not just those who've historically been given access. I was really lucky to grow up hiking, and I was privileged to never have to question the fact that I felt I belonged in the outdoors, that I felt entitled to move through the countryside and to explore new paths. And when I became a wheelchair user, I lost access to the countryside as quickly as I lost the use of my legs. It was really hard not knowing which paths I could access or where I could move, because maps didn't exist that showed access for people who move like me. And everywhere I tried to explore, there were barriers. And what I realised, it wasn't my impairment or my wheelchair that was disabling me in the outdoors. It was these really small barriers that are removable. We disable people in the outdoors. It's not nature that disables people. The Ramblers have a really long tradition of working with activists to preserve access and build better access to the countryside. I think something people don't realise is that walking is political. When you're on a path, it is political. How have you got access to that path? Who does it belong to? And what has enabled you to be in that space? So I'm really excited to work with the Ramblers and to joining a body of lots of activists who all care about preserving access to our beautiful path network.